good day po. So, in this video, papakita ko ang pag-compute ng aming dataset sa aming napiling topic sa topic 5. So, our topic is to determine the negative effects of online learning in the students of Sorsogon State University. In this topic, the situation is the students were grouped according to their preferred gadgets in online learning. So, they measured one as using cell phone, two tablet, three and laptop. So, the correlation of their gadget is their level of learning gain. So, their level is in online learning is measured as one is as 20% to 40%, two 41 to 60%, and 3 61 to 80%, and 4 as 81 to 100%. So in this situation, our objective is there a significant correlation between the gadget used in online learning and their gained learning? So this is our data set. So variable 1 is gadget use and 2 is the learning gain. So if we have 50 participants or observations. So the hypothesis is stated as null, so there is no significant correlation between the gadget used in online learning and their gained learning. So we will collect the result, the R value and the P value of these data sets. So the statistical tool that we choose, that for us we think the best tool for this topic is the Kendall Tau. So we will use Kendall Tau as the statistical use tool of these data sets. So to calculate, we will copy and paste. So there should no space. So this is our 50 data sets, and proceed to calculate. So the objectives, the number 1 that is using cell phone, the learning gain is 3. Is 61 to 80%. So the result is here. So person's product moment correlation sample estimate R is equal to 0.049609. So based on the result of the R, so if we can see for Kramer's B and Tau B and C, so 0.4 is less than to 0.10. So the measures of association is very weak. So R is 0. We will copy, paste, the value is 0.049 609. So the measures of association is very weak. Is very weak shares of association. So the result of the p-value is 0.732256. So this is higher to the statistical value to 0.05. So the hypothesis will be accepted. We'll copy. So the hypothesis be accepted. So the null hypothesis will be accepted since the p-value is higher the significance level, which is 0.05. So the data analysis of this result is, so kinapi ko lang po ito dito sa aking Word file para mas maganda ang aking paglagay ng data analysis. So ito na po ang aking na-type na data analysis. So i-read ko na lang. So this is the topic of the dataset. So statistical uses in this dataset and the given objective, the statistical tool that for us suited in this objective is Kendall Tau because our datasets in the two variable is ordinal, where Kendall Tau need to have a two variable that's ordinal and is not requiring that the datasets is normally distributed. So Kendall Tau po ang aming ginamit na statistical tool. So as the data analysis, the datasets that being tested with Kendall Tau to determine the association between the gadget used in online learning and their gained learnings in online learning. So the statistical test or the computed R value is 0.0496069, which suggests that the gadget used in online learning in their gained learnings were extremely weak in terms of association. Further analysis shows that the computed p-value based on the computed R-value and sample size is equal to 0.732256, which is greater than the significance level of 0.05. Therefore, the null hypothesis is accepted. So, as implication of the result, the null hypothesis of the given data is accepted, which suggests that there is no significant correlation between the gadget used in online learning and the gained learnings. We all know that the pandemic was quite hard for us, especially to us as a student. The living status in family been affected by this pandemic is very hard. No work for the family and no income that we use to buy food. One of the hardest part during pandemic is the online mode of learning. All the teaching and activities was held online. This makes many students to stop their studies. Their reason is no gadgets to be used, low internet connection, and no money to buy SIM loads. Although some students prepared to have these tools in our variable in the given objective, the question is what is the level of learnings they gain in online learning. Many answer 61 to 80%. This suggests that there are also students that gaining high knowledge in online learning, but it is also different than the knowledge that you would get through face-to-face. Having different gadget online learning will not affect the knowledge that can be gained through online. That is why the null hypothesis was accepted. So that's all for our results in these data sets, and thank you.